Stainless steel ring with black polymer base. 2-pin style fits Perko 1343, 1347, 1348, 1349, 1400, 1440, 1442, 1450, 1451, 1452, 1460, 1454. Locking collar included. Built with quality materials. Top reviews from the United States. Stainless steel versus chrome-plated brass. This was bought for a replacement of the original. After years of use, the plastic cover broke off and got lost. I got the stainless steel version but actually ended up using the original chrome-plated brass bezel because it looked better than the stainless bezel. I would recommend buying the less expensive chrome-plated brass version because it looks better unless you use your boat in saltwater. It was the original item, so the fit was perfect.